Today, a great and easy recipe for naan bread. This bread is super soft and delicious, and you can make it using sourdough starter or sourdough discard. Enjoy! Pour 120 grams or half a cup of water in a mixing bowl. Add 13 grams or 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 120 grams or half a cup of plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. Mix well all the ingredients with a dough whisk and add 60 grams or a quarter cup of sourdough starter. I am using a 50 hydration sourdough starter, but you can use 100 hydration as well, or even sourdough discard. Mix well all the ingredients and add 300 grams or 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add first half of the flour and mix the ingredients to incorporate the flour with the dough. Then add 6 grams or 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, kosher salt or sea salt. Mix the salt well and add all the rest of the flour. Keep mixing all the ingredients to your bowl. Then use your hands to mix all the dough in your bowl. Then take the dough out of the bowl and keep kneading it by hand on your working table for about 20 minutes or until your dough is soft, elastic, and it doesn't stick to your working table. Make a bowl of dough and place it in a greased bowl. Cover the bowl with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap for about 2 hours at warm temperature or until it doubles in size. When your dough is ready, take it out of the bowl. Stretch and fold it one last time and make a ball of dough. Divide the dough in 8 equal pieces with the help of a bench scraper. Sprinkle the pieces of dough with flour and make balls of dough. Use your hands to make the balls of dough faster and more efficiently. Place the balls of dough on your working table and let them rest for about 10 minutes covered with a towel. After 10 minutes, use a rolling pin and sprinkle enough flour on your dough to shape the dough in circles of about 5 inches or 12 centimeters. You can arrange some cilantro leaves on your table and place your dough on top of it and roll it again so the dough sticks to the cilantro leaves. Then place the dough on a hot pan with the cilantro leaves facing up and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the dough inflates, like this one. Then turn the dough around for another 30 seconds until the dough is fully cooked. You can also cook the dough without the cilantro leaves, which is my preferred method, and make sure that the dough inflates well before you turn it around. You can use a lid to cover the hot pan to help the dough cook better and faster. In the end, brush the dough with a melted garlic butter and sprinkle cilantro leaves on top for an enhanced flavor. Add some sea salt on top and enjoy this great bread. This naan bread is super soft and delicious. I know you will love it. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I have a new video every week.